3. Hello, Mr. Khan. Please help me understand this thing. What is the Adult Dependent Relative Visa? Who can apply? Under what rules? And what are the requirements?
This is very common question which people do have, do ask time to time basis. So adult dependent, who can be eligible for that, for example, is adult dependent mean over 18. It could be father, it could be mother, it could be grandmother, it could be grandfather, it could be a close relative. So these people can apply on that, even a daughter or son if they are over 18. So they can come in this category. Who can sponsor that? So any person who is settled in the UK, or a refugee person, or a person who has leave to remain under EU route, so they can sponsor under this category. Requirements are for that, because this is the only category, if application is successful out of the country, indefinite leave to enter can be granted. This is quite expensive category, and law says that application should be made out of the country, but if there are some compassionate or compelling circumstances, then application also can be submitted within the country, even the applicant is on visit visa. But there are requirements. What are the requirements? Number 1, the sponsor should be in the list which I just mentioned before. Number 2, the sponsor can accommodate the applicant without recourse public fund. And number 3, there are compassionate or compelling circumstances, or any required level of care is not available in the country where the applicant came from, and there is enough accommodation and further requirements have to be fulfilled. So if application not successful, then there is a right of appeal. If right of appeal been given under human rights article 6, so then appeal will be lodged within the tribunal, and after that appeal lodged, then appeal may take time, and in appeal, of course, when the judicial officer or judge tribunal will decide according to the circumstances. If the due care is not available in the country where the applicant came from, then is a possibility that appeal will be allowed. Otherwise, if refused, then you can take this matter up to the next level, like permission to apply to the first tier tribunal, then permission to apply to the upper tribunal. So all this procedure, but it's actually, this is a kind of you can say that it is this case is very case to case, because most of stuff is here. The compassionate and compelling circumstances could be medical reason, it could be any other reason. If a medical reason, this should not be basically is before that. If the person had this before and is starting from here, this is, we need to assess this case before we advise it. So for more advice, please contact with Addison and Khan Solicitors, and then we can assess your matter and we can advise you accordingly.
Thank you, Mr. Khan. I appreciate the information.
Thank you.